Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to fully turn off and on the Windows Firewall on your computer. First, click the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and open it. Next, in the search bar inside Control Panel, type Firewall. Then, click Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you'll see two profiles, Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings. To turn off the firewall completely, turn off the firewall for both private and public profiles. After that, click OK. Now your Windows Firewall is fully turned off. To turn it back on, repeat the same steps. Go to Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Then toggle on the firewall for both private and public profiles. Finally, click OK. And that's it. You've successfully turned off and on the Windows Firewall on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.